Piny owacho mamalo koro yango ni pith mar rech e nam Lolwe ni kod nyalo mar bugo kwan rech ma osebedo kadok chien e nembe ma pacho ka. Jolony duol mar Kemfree wacho ni Kenya ni kod nyalo mar golo rech tan 600,000 moingo kwan masani maromo tan 150. Bende giwacho ni mwandu mag nam Lolwe nyalo medo thuolo mag tije ne ojende.
We should have the capacity even to undertake mineral exploration. We should have the capacity to develop blue energy in the way of energy production through currents and through winds. We are targeting industrial development also in the region so that fish is not just a source of food, but a source of employment.
Blue economy is not only about fisheries. As my chairman has said, there are other areas where we have not explored properly as an institution. One, because of lack of capacity. Things like geology, minerals, you can't go to the ocean without a ship, you can't go to the ocean without some other equipment. These are the areas where we need the government